Patrick Mahomes, the superstar quarterback of the Kansas City Chiefs, has been thrust into the center of a shocking scandal that has rocked the NFL to its core. Accused of attempting to misuse league funds for personal gain, Mahomes now finds himself on trial, fighting for his freedom and his reputation. This is a developing story that has sent shockwaves through the world of professional football. Patrick Mahomes, one of the most celebrated players in the NFL, has been arrested by federal authorities and charged with multiple counts of fraud and embezzlement. The allegations claim that Mahomes attempted to divert hundreds of thousands of dollars from the league's financial accounts into his own personal holdings. As the trial gets underway, the prosecution is wasting no time in presenting their case against the embattled quarterback. They allege that Mahomes, using his status and influence within the NFL, tried to funnel league funds into a series of dubious investment schemes, all while covering his tracks through a complex web of shell companies and offshore accounts. Members of the jury, we will prove beyond a reasonable doubt that Patrick Mahomes, a man who has been entrusted with the highest honor in professional sports, betrayed that trust in the most egregious way imaginable. He sought to line his own pockets with money that rightfully belonged to the National Football League and, by extension, the millions of fans who support this game. The prosecution's case appears to be a compelling one, with evidence of financial transactions, wire transfers, and documents that appear to implicate Mahomes in the alleged scheme. However, the quarterback's defense team is determined to mount a vigorous challenge, arguing that their client has been the victim of a massive misunderstanding and a politically motivated witch hunt. Defense attorney: Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, the facts will show that Patrick Mahomes is innocent of these charges. He is a man of unimpeachable character, a role model for young athletes around the world, and someone who has dedicated his entire career to elevating the sport he loves. The prosecution's case is built on a foundation of circumstantial evidence and innuendo, designed to mislead and deceive you. As the trial progresses, the defense team works tirelessly to poke holes in the prosecution's narrative, calling into question the reliability of the financial records and the motivations of the key witnesses. They argue that Mahomes' investments were completely legitimate and that the money in question was intended for charitable initiatives and community outreach programs supported by the NFL. The stakes couldn't be higher for Patrick Mahomes. A conviction would not only end his illustrious football career, but could also result in a lengthy prison sentence. The future of the NFL itself hangs in the balance as the league grapples with the fallout from this unprecedented scandal. Judge: we will take a 30-minute recess. When we return, the defense will present its closing arguments. Patrick, how are you holding up? Do you maintain your innocence in the face of these serious allegations? Mahomes: I am innocent, and I am confident that the truth will prevail. This is a difficult time, but I am committed to clearing my name and returning to the game I love. I ask that the public reserve judgment until all the facts have been presented. As the trial reaches its climax, the fate of Patrick Mahomes and the future of the NFL hangs in the balance. Will the quarterback's defense team succeed in proving his innocence, or will he be forever tarnished by the weight of these damning accusations? The final verdict will determine whether one of the league's brightest stars will continue to shine or be forever